Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best standing desk chairs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Flash Furniture Vibrant Standing Desk Chair. The unique Flash Vibrant Desk Chair features a contemporary design with a tractor seat where you can easily size to fit any office needs. It features back and swivels movements that enables you easy access to the entire office without the need of waking up from your position. The desk chair features high-density polymer that adds durability where it's also sleek and combined beauty with a shiny finish. It comes with a pneumatic lever that enables easy adjustment to the height so that you to your comfortable position. At number 4. Boss B1615BK Ergonomic Works Drafting Chair. The Boss standing desk chair offers maximum comfort as it comes with an exclusive and ergonomic design. With pneumatic advanced gas technology, you will be able to recline, raise and adjust the chair in any angle and direction for maximum support and comfort. The desk chair provides excellent and adjustable chrome ring with soft tweed material for maximum comfort. Suitable for all types of desks where you can easily adjust the height to sit or stand and rest your feet perfectly on adjustable chrome ring. At number 3. Modway Edge Standing Desk Chair. Modway Desk Chair comes with exclusive ergonomic design for maximum support. It comes with a unique breathable mesh that offers lower lumbar back support where the waterfall vinyl pad provides comfort to relieve pressure and pain from thighs and arms. The desk chair features flip-up padded arms with adjustable footering that you can experience maximum comfort while working. You have the secure lock that locks the chair to the most comfortable position when you tilt. The easy control knob offers smooth control with breathable mesh at the back for extra support. At number 2. Flash Furniture MidBack Drafting Chair. Furniture Flask Desk Chair features a mid-back range design to suit everyone's back and provide maximum comfort. You notice that it has inbuilt lumbar support that enables contouring with your body shape for maximum comfort. The desk chair has a 2-to-1 locking system that features synchro tilt adjustment. The functional adjustment enables tilting back in unison to the most comfortable position that you want. You can adjust the chrome foot ring and rest your arms on padded armrests and flip up to ease pressure on your neck and shoulders. And finally at number 1. Office Star Deluxe Standing Desk Chair. Star Deluxe Standing Desk Chair features a breathable and exclusive mesh and screen back with inbuilt lumbar that provides maximum support to your back. The desk chair uses excellent pneumatic height adjustment where you can easily adjust the back for maximum comfort. You have the adjustable footrest to change the position of your legs every time to avoid fatigue. You also note that it comes with a sturdy nylon base where the dual-wheel casters enable easy access to the entire office with 360-degree swivel. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.